Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to English classes. Today, again, I will start with act number 2 and scene number 2. In my previous video, I have discussed with you about Prince of Morocco, who has reached in Belmont and wants to go for cascade system. For this, Portia asked him to go for three conditions. The first one is that he will never tell anyone which cascade he has chosen. The first condition in the cascade system is that whosoever tries to go for cascade system or decides to go for cascade system should not tell anyone which cascade he has actually chosen. He will not marry any other lady in his life. He will leave the place immediately after he makes the wrong choice. Morocco agrees to all these conditions and decides to go for cascade system. After this, Portia and Morocco, they leave the scene. Then they come scene act number 2 and scene number 2, where Lancelot is found talking to himself. He is a servant of Shylock and he's quite unhappy with him as he feels that Shylock was underpaying him, underfeeding him, and still he's undecided. So he finds himself fighting with his conscience and the devil in him. His conscience asks him to stay with his master and serve him. The devil in him asks him to leave his master and search for a new master. Now let's read the paraphrase. Lancelot, certainly my conscience will serve me to run from the Jew my master. Again, the scene takes place in Venice Street. Only Lancelot is found. He's talking to himself. He's fighting with his own self, whether he should leave leave Shylock or not. Certainly, my conscience. Now, word conscience means inner self. His inner self ask him to serve, ask him to run from the Jew, my master, in the beginning of the scene. His conscience also ask him to run from his master. The fiend means devil is at mine elbow. The devil stands very close to me, tempts me, attracts me, saying to me, Gobbo, Lancelot, means his real name, his full name is Gobbo, Lancelot Gobbo, good Lancelot, good Gobbo, or good Lancelot Gobbo. Use your legs, take the start, run away. Devil asked him to run away from his master. My conscience say no. In the beginning, conscience asked him to run, to leave his master. Now, conscience asks him to stay and serve his master. My conscience say no, take heed, do not care. Honest Lancelot, take heed, honest Gobbo, or as aforesaid, honest Lancelot Gobbo, do not run, scorn running. Be utterly contemptuous of running, leave running with thy heels. Well, the most courageous fiend bids me pack, and the devil asks him, pack? Via says the fiend, away, says the fiend, for the heavens rouse up. A brave mind, says the fiend, and run. Well, my conscience hanging about the neck of my heart says very wisely to me, my honest friend Lancelot, being an honest man's son. In the beginning, conscience asked him to leave the master. The devil asked him to leave the master. Later on, he feels that his inner self is asking him to stay with his old master and serve him. The devil, which is standing nearby to him, asks him to leave his master, pack his bag, and go in a search for a new master. Now here, my honest friend Lancelot, being an honest man's son, or rather an honest woman's son, my friend Lancelot, being an honest man's son, or rather an honest woman's son? Well, my conscience says, Lancelot, budge not, don't run. Budge, says the wind. Conscience says, don't budge, don't run. But Find, the devil, asked him to budge. Conscience asked him, he is a son of an honest son and mother, and he is a son of honest father and mother. He should not run away from his master. But the devil asked him to run away from his master. Say I, you counsel well, fiend, say I, you counsel well to be ruled by my conscience. I should stay with the Jew, my master, who, God bless the mark, is a kind of devil. Okay, he says, conscience, you say, I should stay with my master. And my master is actually a devil. And to run away from the Jew, I should be ruled by the fiend. I should follow fiend. I should follow devil, who, saving your reverence, is the devil himself. He says, if I serve my master for a long time, I will be a devil. My master is a devil. Now, God bless the mark is a kind of devil, and to run away from the Jew, I should be ruled by the fiend, who, saving your reverence, is devil himself. Certainly, the Jew is the very devil incarnation, and in my conscience is but a kind of hard conscience to offer to counsel me to stay with the Jew. The fiend gives me the more friendly advice, counsel. I will run, fiend. My heels are at your commandment. I will run. Say, children, he is in a conflict. He doesn't know what to do, whether he should leave his master or stay with him for more time. If he stays with him for more time, he will be exploited more. Clear? His master is actually a devil in the form of a human body. Clear? And finally, at the last of this extract, we come to know he listens to the fiend. He listens to the devil and decides to run away from his master. Gobbo. Now enter old Gobbo with a basket. Who has come here? Old Gobbo, who is the father of Lancelot. Enter old Gobbo with a basket. He has a basket. Master, young man, you, I pray you, which is the way to master's Jew? Now Gobbo is asking his own son, where is the house of master Jew? Who is Jew here? Shylock. Who lives in a Shylock house? Lancelot. Now Lancelot, oh heavens, this is my truly begotten father. He is my father, he who begot me. Since now, who being more than sand blind, high gravel blind, knows me not, I will try confusions with him. He says, see, he is my own father and he is a sand blind. He is more than half blind. Who doesn't recognize his own son standing in the street? Now I will confuse him. Gobbo, master, young gentleman, I pray you, which is the way to master Jew? Can you tell me the way to the master Jew's old house?